River. But first, Holden Kerwicki is live at St. Clair Square, where workers are taking it upon themselves to put in overtime to help with testing. Holden.
That's exactly right, Casey. Before the holidays, the testing facility here at St. Clair Square Mall was only running 4 days a week. But after testing over 850 people on Monday alone, the workers here decided they had to take things into their own hands to really try and keep up with the demand.
At the St. Clair County Public Service Facility, people are once again lining up to roll up their sleeve and get vaccinated.
It's really encouraging. It tells me that people are getting the message after all this time now, and I think people are really taking advantage of it. There's really no reason not to.
However, it pales in comparison to what's taking place at St. Clair Square.
People are saying, let's be safe than be sorry.
This surge in demand comes one day after Governor J.B. Pritzker announced he would be sending additional testing resources across the state.
Well, anything that we can get from the state, as we have been getting, will help our mission here.
Since that time, St. Clair County Emergency Manager Herb Simmons says his phone hasn't stopped ringing.
I had a couple of people call my office this morning and said, hey, I woke up with a fever, I woke up with a sore throat. Go get tested.
That's resulted in a turnout so big that the workers are making a necessary call to keep people safe.
This site wasn't supposed to go to 6 days a week until after the first of the year, but as you can see behind me, they're up and running, cars wrapping around the building here at the St. Clair Square Mall, which is very encouraging. It tells me that people are really taking this serious.
Despite the long lines, Simmons says it hasn't impacted turnaround time on tests.
I would say it's, 24 hours maybe. I've seen some quicker.
While there are still some who thumb their nose at the pandemic, Simmons says he's quickly seeing a shift in mindset.
We know there are haters, but for the people who are the concerned ones that are taking this serious because they either lost a loved one or they knew somebody ended up in a hospital on a ventilator, it doesn't take long for that to sink in.
In addition to the mass testing vaccination site here at St. Clair Square, Eastside Health is holding a number of pop-up sites later this week. Simmons says he hopes to update us all tomorrow about the availability and with more information on those sites tomorrow at 3:30. Reporting in Fairview Heights, Holden Kerwicki, 5 on your side.